The Mini Countryman Rugged Edition is here. Well, almost here. This is a preview of what's coming this fall when Mini releases its first ever all-terrain Mini product, the Mini Countryman Rugged Edition. This is Gabe from MotoringFile, and Mini has finally taken a little bit of the wraps off of its forthcoming off-road version of the Countryman. So what does it look like? How off-road is it really? Unfortunately, we don't have all the answers yet, but we have a lot of hints, and of course, we're looking at it here for the first time. So let's get right into it. What are these photos and what does this video actually reveal? Well, the first thing you notice is a lack of visual differentiation from the standard Countryman, in this case, the Countryman S. And while the test car is clad in vinyl, there's no design changes that we can see. Bumpers, trim, it's all the same. And I think it's interesting because this clearly, you would expect, would be an area that Mini would want to differentiate itself from not just its other models of Countryman, but also to indicate what this car is intended to do. I mean, all you have to do is look at like the Crosstrek Wilderness from Subaru, which is a more rugged version of the Crosstrek. Very, very popular product in North America, I might add. And, you know, listen, it's a little bit of suspension travel added, but it's mostly trim. And that's what we expected here. We don't see that yet. Now, it could come with the final reveal, so stay tuned for that. Maybe more importantly, though, what's under the skin? For one, we see upgraded tire, which is a 225/55/18 General Grabber AT3, and that's a tire that offers true all-terrain performance. We'll call it light off-road performance, if you will. It is a tire that carries a 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, so that means it's for severe snow traction alongside sort of the M&S marking. So, you know, it does give it some genuine winter credentials, self-cleaning lugs. There's a lot there that's nice. And our expectation is that it's probably coupled with a more, using air quotes, heavy-duty suspension, a little bit of a raised ride height, and some underbody cladding. Probably a recalibrated DSC is what we've heard. And probably that's it. That's what we'd expect. Trim changes, interior trim changes, and we would expect some exterior modification. So that clearly is not here yet, but it is, in our expectation, coming. The full production version will be launched or revealed in October, launched later this year. And we would expect it to be launched actually as part of, and we haven't heard this for sure, but Mini Takes the States, which is happening at the same time. So it's just a matter of deduction that we're saying that. We could be wrong here, but we would expect that could be an interesting point for Mini to bring this car out. And so what is Mini doing with an off-road, using air quotes, off-road vehicle here? Well, you know, it's interesting. The brand does have some history in this space. I mean, of course, a long rally history with the Mini Cooper in the 60s. The current rally team, the JCW rally team in the US, is just fresh off a podium in the Colorado rally as well. And countless other Minis have been rally racing all the way to Dakar and winning Dakar multiple times. But there is some other sort of modified Minis that have been out there, and it's always generated a lot of interest at MotoringFile. So in our eyes, something that's been a long time coming, and quite frankly, it's something that the brand has as much really validity in producing this than almost any brand these days. And so it's really interesting to see Mini finally getting into the game. Of course, we won't know exactly how far into the game they've come until October, but it is really cool. But I think it's also worth saying that, you know, this is a car that we've driven on mountain roads and we've actually experienced it even with the current setup. And there's a lot to like about the base chassis. So we'll see what happens in October and if some of our predictions come true. But until then, this is our first look at the Mini Countryman Rugged Edition, and expect it to, of course, MSRP above the current Cooper S. Some visual cues probably will sort of, you know, make it look a little different. And of course, it'll have a little bit more off-road prowess and will likely be much better in snow as well. So for updates on this car and all things Mini, check MotoringFile.com. As always, subscribe, and we would love it if you liked this video. If you liked it, we will be back with much more soon.